Hi dear student, in this video I will start the problems and solution chapter. Problem on solution chapter. Dear student, in this chapter the problems is 110% fix, 100% one 3 marks question, 100% one question comes for 3 marks. For 3 marks one problem is compulsory, so you have to practice the problem, and the problem is regarding only 4 formula is there. They are colligative property. That colligative property, they are very important, dear student. That is what first one, relative lowering of vapor pressure. The formula, the first colligative property, relative lowering of vapor pressure. See dear student, this is the first relative lowering of vapor pressure. The formula is M2, the molecular mass. Molecular mass equal to W2 into M1 divided by W1 into the bracket P1 naught divided by P1 naught minus P1, dear student. Next colligative property is elevation of a boiling point. Elevation of a boiling point. This M2 equal to KB into W2 into 1000 divided by W1 into delta TB. For a depression of freezing point, dear student, it's very simple. Both are, you have to compare these two formula, 1000 same, W2 same. Next one, instead of KB here KF, W1 same W1, delta TB delta TF. Change in the means the elevation of boiling point, change in the boiling point and change in the freezing point. And that's it, dear student. Here KB constant and it is KF constant. Here boiling point, elevation of boiling point constant. Here depression of freezing point constant. This is same M2. This therefore formula is very simple to remember. Next one is osmotic pressure, dear student. M2 equal to W2 into RT divided by pi into V. So dear student, at least you have to remember this formula very well while solving this problem on this chapter. Okay, 100% fixed question, dear student, 3 marks question. Okay, we will solve all your previous year questions regarding in your annual examination. What I collected, these questions are your annual exam question papers from your previous year. They asked the previous year questions, so I collected these questions. So dear student, first problem, read it once again. 1 gram of a non-electrolyte solute, 1 gram of a non-electrolyte solute was dissolved in 500 gram of benzene. Lower the freezing point, lowers the freezing point of benzene. See, they are given freezing point, lowering of freezing point of benzene by 0.4 Kelvin. Find the molar mass of the solute. They are given, find the molar mass of the solute, and given the freezing point or depression constant of benzene, they are given 5.12 in Kelvin kg per mole. So this is freezing point, means depression of freezing point. Just now we know that whenever, dear student, if you solve the problem, first take the given data. Given what they are given, you have to write first. They are carrying, the given also carries 1 marks, dear student. So most of the students are not writing given, and they are very confusing how to write the given also. Okay, I will write, dear student. You see here, the first one, they are given 1 gram. You see 1 gram of a non-electrolyte. 1 gram means, you see, this is they are given W2 equal to 1 gram. 1 gram they are given, W2 they are given. Next, dissolved in 500 gram of a benzene. You see, this is what it is not 500, 50 gram. Therefore, the 50 gram they are given means they are given W1, dear student. They are W1 50 gram. Next one, lower the freezing point of benzene. They are given that 0.5. 0.4 gram. Yes, therefore they are given the change in the temperature, the freezing point is they are given 0.4 Kelvin, dear student. Change in the temperature. Next one, what they are given? Next one, the freezing point constant they are given, dear student, that Kf equal to 5.12 Kelvin kg per mole, dear student. One thing is, see, dear student, if you are don't know how to read the given data, first, sir, which is W1, which is W2, most of the students are confusing. but for that I will tell you. You see here, whenever solute, so this most of them are confusing. Solute, you see here, solute means you have to take M2W2. Solvent means M1W1. You see, for example, there is 1.0 gram of non-electrolyte solute. You see here, solute. Solute means what? Just now I told that solute means you take W2. They are given mass. They are not given molecular mass. Therefore W2, not M2. M2 is molecular mass, dear student. Okay. This is W2 means mass, molecular mass of the solute. M2 means molecular mass. Okay. This is what they are given, dear student. Next one, the formula we know that M2 equal to see, dear student, this is what substitute all this value in this equation. You know, this is the formula. M2 equal to Kf into W2 into 1000 divided by delta Tf into W1, dear student. Therefore, whatever I given, this is what all the given data. Substitute all this value. You see here, Kf, there 5.12, W2 means 1 gram they are given into 1000 divided by change in the temperature, freezing temperature 0.4 Kelvin, and W1 into 50 they are given. And substitute this and take calculator, then we are getting the simplest answer, dear student. Okay, it's very simple, dear student. Next one, name the law behind the dissolution of carbon dioxide gas in a soft drink under high pressure. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಲಾ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಆ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸನ್ನು ಫುಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ವಿತ್ ಹೈ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ವಿತ್ ಹೈ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ದಾಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಮಗೊಂದು ಲಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಲಾ? ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ a solvent is rain with a high pressure. That is what applications of the Henry's law, dear student. What we discussed, dissolution or solubility of gas in liquid, the gas in a liquid, dear student. Therefore, why the all cool drinks are so tightly closed, I will discuss that question in the next. Okay, wait. Next problem, dear student. Very simple. First you have to read whenever you are solving the problem, first you have to read once. 5.8 gram of non-volatile solute was dissolved in 100 gram of carbon disulfide. Next, the vapor pressure of the solution was found to be 190 mm of Hg. Calculate the molar mass of the solute given. The vapor pressure of pure carbon dioxide is 195 mm of Hg and molecular mass of carbon disulfide 76 gram per mole. Very simple, dear students. This question is regarding the relative lowering of vapor pressure. Dear student. Okay, solve first. Whenever solving, first take given. What they are given. If you understood the given understanding, then the problem is very, very easy. If you don't know how to write the given, then it is very difficult. First, the mass of the solute. Next one, mass of the solvent. Next one, molecular mass of the solute. Next one, W of the solute. Solute means solvent. It's not solute, it's a solvent, dear student. Here one solute means one is solvent. Next one is initial standard pressure. Next one, the partial pressure. Next one, pure compound divided by after mixing the this vapor pressure, dear student. This is first one. First to go for the given data, dear student. The first one, the molecular mass of solute. They are given the molecular mass of solute. No, what they are given, they calculate the molecular mass, the molar mass of the solute, they are telling that this is only find, this is question mark. Next one, the molecular mass of this one solvent they are given, you see carbon disulfide 76 gram. Next one, the weight of solute they are given, dear student, you see here solute 5.8 gram of non-volatile solute, therefore they are given 5.8 gram, dear student. Next one, dissolved in 100 gram of carbon disulfide, therefore it is a 100 gram of solvent, nodri. Next one thing first I will write the nodri, the pure compound vapor pressure 195 mm of Hg. Next, this after mixing with the 190 mm of Hg. You see here, dear student, I will first understand this concept, after that we will solve. You see ಏನಿದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಸಲ್ಫೈಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಬೀಕರ್ನೊಳಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಸಲ್ಫೈಡ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಬೀಕರ್, ದ ಬೀಕರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಸಲ್ಫೈಡ್. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ we are adding the non-volatile solute add ಮಾಡಾಕ್ತೀವಿ, non-volatile solute add ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ non-volatile solute ಎಷ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ವೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5.8 ಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಎಷ್ಟರೊಳಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೇವಿ ನಾವು 100 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ನೊಳಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೇವಿ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದ್ರ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಾಕ್ತೀವಿ 5.8 ಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಎಷ್ಟರೊಳಗೆ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಾಕ್ತೀವಿ 100 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ನೊಳಗೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಸಲ್ಫೈಡ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಸ್, ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಇವು ವೇಟ್ ಐತಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ವೇಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಮಗೆ, ಹೌದಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ 76 ಐತಿ, 76 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಮ್, ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಇದ್ರ ಮಾಸ್ 76 ಐತಿ, 100 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡೇವಿ. ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಸಲ್ಫೈಡ್ 76, ಇಂಥವು ಎಷ್ಟು ತೊಗೊಂಡೇವಿ 100 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡೇವಿ. ಇದ್ರಾಗ 5.8 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡೇವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಒಂದ್ರದ್ದು ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ನಾವು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಸಲ್ಫೈಡ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಸ್, ಇದು ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ಬರೀ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ 195 mm of Hg ಇತ್ತು. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು non-volatile solute ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 190 mm of Hg ಎಷ್ಟು. ಈಗ ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಈಗ ನಮಗಿದು ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ, M1 ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ non-volatile solute ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ M1 ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು, ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ M2 ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ್ದು ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಕಾಳು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹಾಕಿರಿ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಏನೇ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು, ಇವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮಗೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ W2, ಇದು M2. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ W1 M1 ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲದಲ್ಲ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು W2 M2. ಭಾಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಸೀನಿ. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, therefore what I given all this. Then after that we know that the formula ಗೊತ್ತೈತೆ ನಮಗೆ, W0 P0 minus P divided by P0, P10 minus P10, like this you take. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾರು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, W1 M1 ಅದು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, W ಆಫ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಹೌದಲ್ಲ divided by M of the solute into M of the solvent divided by W of the solvent. ಭಾಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದು. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ P10 ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ P10 ಎಷ್ಟು 195 ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ 190 divided by 195. therefore next weight of this solute they are given 5.8 gram dissolved. ಇದ್ರ ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಂ, ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು, ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ, ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಗಿವನ್, ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 100 ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, 172 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಪರ್ ಮೋಲ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿದೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 195 minus 180, therefore it gives us to 5 divided by 195. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 100 ಐತಿ, ಇದು 100 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಐತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ 100. ಹೌದಾ. ಅವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇನೈತಿ, ಓಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲೈತಿ. ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎರಡು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವೆ, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೂ 5.8 ಇಂಟು 76 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು. ಓಕೆ, you go for the next problem. Okay, see here dear student, the next problem we have to see 300 cm cube of an aqueous solution of a protein containing 2.12 gram of protein. The osmotic pressure, you see they are given osmotic pressure of such a solution is 300 Kelvin. Found to be, and the osmotic pressure is found to be 3.89 into 10 to the power minus 3 bar. Calculate the molar mass of the protein, dear student. They are given R also. Very simple. From this we calculate that osmotic pressure. Therefore osmotic colligative property is osmotic pressure. So dear student, first you have to write given. Whenever write given, then it is carries 1 marks. Given, what they are given first? 300 cm cube of an aqueous solution. 300 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರ. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ 300 cm ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ಹೌದಾ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಿಬೋದು, 0.3 ಲೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎಸ್ ಐ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ 2.1, therefore W2 they are given their weight, they are given that 2.12 gram, dear student. Weight also they are given. Next temperature, they see therefore 300 Kelvin they are given temperature also. Next one, they are given osmotic pressure also. What is that osmotic pressure? 3.89 into 10 to the power minus 3 bar, dear student. Osmotic pressure also they are given. They are given R value 0.0823 liters bar per mole per Kelvin, dear student. Then they are telling that find the molecular mass of that compound. Very simple, the molecular mass of that compound, finding the formula W2 equal to RT into W2 divided by pi into P. Yes, right. Substitute all this value. 0.0823 into temperature is 300 Kelvin. Next W2 they are given 2.12 gram and divided by pi they are given osmotic pressure 3.89 into 10 to the power minus 3 and volume they are given around 300. To simplify this, the molecular mass of this compound will get around 45234 gram per mole, dear student. This is what they are given. They ask the question and the osmotic pressure, dear student. Okay.